and today I'm going to show you our new apron. Now this apron is made of 100% heavy-duty genuine leather for long-time durability, and it's also heat and flame resistant as an extra bonus. Now, as I take it out and unfold it for you, you can see that it has double stitching for extreme durability and comfort. It has rivets and high stress points to prevent rips and tears. And it has a loop on the other side, which is convenient if you want to hang it on a hook. This apron was originally designed as a welding apron, but after several modifications, it became truly multifunctional and useful for many other work and home tasks, such as for woodworkers, blacksmiths, gardeners, mechanics, for barbecuing in the backyard, and so on. The apron harness allows for adjustment of the position of the apron and also the waist tightness. I have it on pretty tight right here. And this makes it adjustable from size medium all the way up to XXL. The X-shaped harness design evenly balances the weight of the apron across the shoulder and back for long-term use and comfort. The quick release buckles make it easy to put the apron on and to take it off. Now the shoulder pads are especially useful when you have heavy tools in your pockets. The apron features 6 pockets for storage tools and work accessories, 2 heavy tool rings, and 2 hammer loops. It includes chest pockets, 1 cell phone pocket, and 1 pencil pocket. So, get maximum protection and have on everything you need to work fast and efficiently with the new apron from Fight Tech.